Hi guys, Miss Emily here. Today we're going to do a first author mini lesson on I write big words. So let's start how we always do. Who in here is an author? I'm an author. All of us are authors, remember that. Okay, let's get started with our mini lesson today. Words are a group of letters that tell people specific things. We can write names of people like Mr. Walt Disney or Mickey Mouse. We can use words to write the names of places like Disney World or maybe Australia. That's another big word of a place. Names of things like Splash Mountain. That's a big word for a ride that you can find at Disney World. We can also write action words, ride and splash. Action words are things that you can do. Also like run, jump, throw. We can also write describing words, exciting or scary. Describing words describe how something looks or feels. So you could describe that a ride makes you feel excited, or it is exciting, or it is a scary ride. The words we write in sentences have spaces between them. Can remember our lesson a few weeks ago, we talked about how there are spaces between words when we use words to write a sentence. So in this sentence, it says, it would be exciting to go to Disney World and meet Mickey Mouse. So we used some of our big words to put the words together and make a sentence. And you can see we have spaces between each word. Now it's time to write some big words. So you pick a topic and write some big words and sentences about your topic and make sure that you share it with me. Can't wait to see it. Bye.